From India gearing up for the third phase of Lok Sabha elections to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi taking a vow to eliminate the Supreme Court mandated 50% reservation cap, we take a look at today's top election updates. The third phase of the Lok Sabha elections 2024 is slated for Tuesday, May 7th, that's tomorrow. This phase will witness polling in 93 Lok Sabha constituencies across 11 states and union territories. The Election Commission of India has reported a total of 1,351 candidates vying for positions in this phase. Although 94 constituencies across 12 states and union territories were originally slated for the third phase of polling on May 7th, the Bharatiya Janata Party has already secured an uncontested victory in Surat, Gujarat. Furthermore, the voting for the Anantnag-Rajouri seat in Jammu and Kashmir has been postponed to May 25th. Meanwhile, the polling in Betul, Madhya Pradesh, initially scheduled for the second phase on April 26th, has been rescheduled to the third phase on May 7th. During an election rally in Behrampur city of Odisha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that the state has been grappling with poverty due to decades of plunder by the Congress and subsequently the Biju Janata Dal. Modi expressed confidence that the people of Odisha have resolved to vote the BJP into power, declaring June 4th as the expiry date of the BJD government.
लिख लीजिए 4 जून पर यहां बीजेडी सरकार की एक्सपायरी डेट लिखी हुई है.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, while campaigning for the Lok Sabha elections, pledged that his party would eliminate the Supreme Court mandated 50% reservation cap. Rahul Gandhi reiterated concerns that if the BJP comes to power, they would undermine the constitution. He was speaking at a rally in Madhya Pradesh's Ratlam district. And the last update from Northeast Delhi. Congress candidate from Northeast Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, Kanhaiya Kumar, filed his nomination on Monday. Kumar filed his nomination at the district magistrate's office in Nand Nagri in the presence of senior Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Minister Gopal Rai. He's pitted against BJP's two-time MP from the same constituency and Bhojpuri singer turned politician Manoj Tiwari. Before filing the nomination, Kanhaiya performed a Sarv Dharma Puja. He also held a road show holding the preamble of the constitution in the Northeast Delhi. That's all for today. For more such election updates, subscribe to our channel Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.